Have Star Spangled Splash, Freedom Fusion, and Liberty Chill. Hello, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land, another kind of food review, a snack review. I'm here with my youngest brother, James.
Hello!
And we're going to try the Mountain Dew. They came out with I guess, different markets. It's been out a little bit earlier, but I just saw these about a week ago. They have 3 flavors of patriotic sodas. And so we're going to taste test all 3 flavors of those. We've got the red flavor, which is Star Spangled Bash, or Star Spangled Splash, and the white Freedom Fusion, and lastly we have the blue, which is Liberty Chill. Liberty Chill, it says 50 flavors in one dew. So I don't know, that might be interesting. So let's start with the red, the Star Spangled Splash.
Go in order, red, white, blue.
As I said, yeah. It says dew with a blast of red berry flavor with other natural flavors. So I guess we need it. Well, you don't mind drinking out of the same bottle, do you?
I mean, we're brothers.
We're just making sure. All right.
I do like Mountain Dews. I'm a Mountain Dew, what do they call it, connoisseur or whatever, where they
I am not.
Drink a lot of Mountain Dews, try all the different flavors. I do like the different Mountain Dews. So. Not bad. I mean, like I said, Code Red. I mean, any kind of red flavored drinks or red. That's what I would probably.
To me, this tastes kind of like fruit punch.
Yeah, fruit punch. Fruit punch Code Red.
And remember, on the bottle here, it tells you, refresh, then recycle.
So.
All right, so there's the Star Spangled Splash, the red patriotic Mountain Dew. Now we'll try the
Baja Blast
white,
is still up there, so.
The Freedom Fusion. This is dew with a blast of lemonade and peach.
That sounds really good.
With other natural flavors.
I like lemonade and I like peach, so.
See how this tastes. That's pretty good. I like that one.
I can already smell the peach. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Kind of tastes like an Arnold Palmer. I mean, is tea with lemonade, but this is
a little hint of peach. I kind of taste the lemonade a little bit more, but that's good. So. Definitely like that over the red one though.
I concur with that.
Yeah.
All right, and lastly we have the blue, the Liberty Chill.
50 flavors is probably all the flavors of Mountain Dew all in one.
I didn't know Mountain Dew had that many flavors. I know they've got quite a few, but
they probably have about 50 flavors.
So
yeah, these flavors.
This is like a real suicide. Everybody ever made a suicide drink before, where you go to the soda fountain, put all the sodas together? It's different. I like it, but
yeah, I don't know.
It's very sweet.
I like it. I mean, definitely like it. If I had to rate them, I'd probably do white, blue, red, maybe, or maybe blue and white's about the same.
I would choose. I think I would do the Freedom Fusion. The white would be my first. The blue would be probably second. Liberty Chill. It's hard to describe what this tastes like.
I don't really.
I was very sweet. I mean, there's kind of a berry flavor.
I definitely, I'd have a can or 2 of them.
There's can't really tell from the ingredients what it's all in there as well. It's just pretty generic. But yeah, that's pretty good. I like the label on this one probably the most.
Yeah,
got the Statue of Liberty riding a motorcycle there. I don't, probably can't see that very
A
well.
little bit
But
hard to tell. Mountain Dews, they usually
you
come
go.
out with some pretty cool labels. when
Statue
they
of
do
Liberty
their
ride a
stuff.
motorcycle. And then the one it was just because
Like I
it's like
said.
it tastes like Mountain Dew fruit punch.
Yeah,
It's the
I
Star
would say
Spangled
I think-
Splash.
it's little Code Red, but I think Code Red is better than this one. But
I've only had Code
Baja
Red like
Blast
one
is
time.
still the top
So-
one up there. So.
So yeah, they're the patriotic excuse me, patriotic soda flavors from Mountain
Pretty
Dew.
good, man.
I had almost a full can between all those. I don't know. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land, a snack/food review taste test. Here with my brother James. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Thank you for watching. Till next time, that's a wrap.